How to use Booking.com for business travel. To optimize work trips, you simply have to sign up for the free Booking.com for business platform. So go ahead and launch your device's web browser. From the web page, tap on that search bar, then type Booking.com business account. Now, once you're here within the official site, all you have to do is go ahead and log into this business Booking.com for business. And once you create your profile, all you have to do is now invite colleagues to set up individual profile with your personal preferences, contact details, and travel documents. This avoids having to input information manually for every booking. And then set the company budgets, streamline payments, and also track your team. Access the corporate discounts and use the platform's mobile app AI expense tool to snap receipts and automatically turn them into expense reports. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.